What's up, YouTube? Today we will be discussing a very basic topic about Google Ads, and that's ad scheduling. A lot of people have trouble scheduling their ads from a certain part of the day during their office hours. Let's say, for example, from 10 a.m. in the morning to 5 p.m. in the evening or 7 p.m. in the evening. So today we will be teaching you exactly to do just that. And without further ado, I'm going to get to my panel. So as you can see, there is a primary panel over here, rather the secondary panel because it shows just the campaign names, and the second one, which is the primary campaign name. There is a recommendations list, insights, campaigns, ad groups. So you have to go scroll down and select show more and select ad schedule. Once you do that, there is a pen icon out here. So you select that, select the campaign, select it, and then select all days from, again, let's say 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. for example. Those are your working hours, and you just save it. And voila, it's done. So this is how you change your ad schedule to an already existing campaign. You could add an ad schedule to a new campaign as well, but that is for another video. This is how you change the ad schedule for a pre-existing campaign. So I will return to you with another set of videos very soon. So I will meet you next time.